Here we have the Vauxhall Astra on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and cool and temperature gauges. Underneath that, the trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 37,231. We have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed there, as you can see. You can change that information using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. And on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. You can only use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done over on the touchscreen in the centre just here. Hit the phone button and then search device, and then follow instructions on screen once it finds your particular phone. When it comes to our music options in this car, we have got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can also connect up your smartphone and project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen as well under the projection heading just there. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the moment, so that turns it back off and on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set, of course. Underneath that, we have the ability to turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows, and you can turn off your traction control from here as well. And then finally, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.